13 Best Asian Foods. There are a variety of different types of Asian food that are sure to satisfy your taste buds. From the savory flavors of chow mein and fried rice, to the more unique tastes of kushiyaki, there is something for everyone to enjoy. Number 1. Chow mein. Chow mein is a dish of stir-fried noodles, vegetables and meat. It is popular in Chinese cuisine, as well as in other parts of Asia and the Western world. There are many different types of chow mein, depending on the ingredients used in the cooking method. Number 2. Fried rice. Fried rice is a dish of cooked rice that has been stir-fried in a wok or frying pan and is often mixed with other ingredients such as eggs, vegetables, and meat. Fried rice is typically made with white rice, but it can also be made with brown rice or other types of rice. Number 3. General Tso's chicken. General Tso's chicken is a popular Chinese-American dish that consists of deep-fried chicken pieces in a sweet and spicy sauce. The dish is named after Zhuo Zongtang, a Qing dynasty statesman and military leader. Number 3. Kushiyaki. Kushiyaki is a type of Japanese skewered grilled meat. It is made with chicken, pork, beef, or fish that has been marinated in a variety of sauces and then grilled over an open flame. Number 4. Yakisoba. Yakisoba is a Japanese dish of stir-fried noodles and vegetables. It is typically made with pork, but can also be made with chicken or beef. Yakisoba is often served with a variety of toppings, such as pickled ginger, seaweed, and bonito flakes. Number 5. Miso soup. Miso soup is a Japanese soup made with a base of miso paste, and typically contains tofu, seaweed, and green onions. Miso soup is a popular breakfast food in Japan, and is often served with rice and pickled vegetables. Number 6. Egg rolls. Egg rolls are a type of Asian pastry that is made with a rolled-up piece of dough filled with eggs, vegetables, and meat. Egg rolls are typically fried, but can also be baked or steamed. Number 7. Bulgogi. Bulgogi is a Korean dish of marinated beef that is grilled or roasted. The word bulgogi actually means fire meat in Korean, referring to the way the meat is cooked over an open flame. Bulgogi is typically made with thinly sliced beef, but can also be made with chicken or pork. Number 8. Kimchi. Kimchi is a popular Korean dish of fermented vegetables, typically cabbage and radishes. It is often spicy and has a strong, pungent flavor. Kimchi is typically served as a side dish, but can also be used as an ingredient in other dishes such as fried rice or noodles. Number 9. Gyoza. Gyoza is a Japanese dish of pan-fried dumplings that are typically filled with ground meat and vegetables. Gyoza can be made with pork, chicken, beef, or vegetarian fillings, and are often served with a dipping sauce such as soy sauce or vinegar. Number 10. Stir-fry. Stir-fry is a dish of cooked meat and vegetables that are stir-fried in a wok or frying pan. Stir-fry is a popular way to cook in many Asian countries, as it is a quick and easy way to make a meal. There are many different types of stir-fry, depending on the ingredients used. Number 11. Sushi. Sushi is a Japanese dish of vinegared rice that is typically rolled with fish, vegetables, and seaweed. Sushi is often served with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Number 12. Pho. Pho is a Vietnamese soup that typically contains rice noodles, meat, and vegetables in a broth. Pho is often served with a variety of toppings, such as bean sprouts, cilantro, and lime. Number 13. Wonton soup. Wonton soup is a Chinese soup that typically contains wontons, vegetables, and meat in a broth. If you're looking for a delicious and hearty soup, look no further than Asian wonton soup. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.